Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily edit footer on your site in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just be in our Site123 dashboard and just click here edit footer. Now you have option to just edit social networks, edit mailing list here, and also terms of service and cookie consent. So that's like pretty important. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. I don't know what else should I talk to you about it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you and give you some feedback. Let's say that I'm going to... Yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much. Have a great day and see you. Goodbye.